Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and then on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the replay bar so that you can backtest. As you all know, backtesting is a very crucial thing for a trader to do. And on TradingView, as you all know, when you start like from the weekly or the daily time frame, you can just use like the bar replay tool. As you can see, you can just cut price from anywhere that you want. But when you switch to the lower time frame, you won't be able to backtest or do anything with the price, just because you haven't paid like any package that they offer, just because the minimum packages that they offer is about $15. That's the minimum package that they offer. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you like a platform that you can use, of which it's free. You can use like the bar replay tool from the higher time frame, of which is the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour or the 1 hour, so that you can backtest. And even the 1 minute and the 5 minute also work like on that platform. And then let me just show you like the platform so that you can get to it, so that you can backtest also. So guys, the platform is GoCharting, and then you can just use like the link in the description below, or you can just go on Google and search GoCharting. And then after searching GoCharting, you can just click the search button and then go to the first option that you get like on your Google search. And then you go to products, and then you go to charts. And then when you get to charts, that's what you'll get. And then the ads on the side here, they will just show up. That one is not free, they'll just show up. And then let's search like any pair that is related to Forex, let's say Euro USD. So they use like Owanda and other different like brokers. So on this example, I'll just use like Owanda. Let's switch to the higher time frame, the weekly. So on the weekly time frame, we want this bar replay tool, and then I'll cut like the price action from this point, May 22, and then you double tap. And then after double tapping it, you'll get that price will be cut. And then you can just switch to the 4 hour, do your, like your analysis and all of that stuff. And then we'll be doing like some backtesting sessions. I'll be using like this platform for you to see like how it works and all of that stuff. So as you can see, the price action has been cut like from the May around this point, and then on the hour time frame, as you can see, price action is not going back to where it was. And then if you click like the forward or the play button, you'll see that price action is playing. You can just backtest using like this option. And then let me just switch to the lower time frame. Let's check the lower time frame. And then this is the speed of the candles. Let me just increase the speed. So as you can see, even on the lower time frames, what you can do is that you can cut like the price action, and then if you play it forward, you can see that it's playing, and then of which it's free, guys. And then if you don't have like an account with them, you can just like open an account, and it's free. As you can see, it's saying like upgrade plan around the top of the charts. And then let's switch to the 5 minute time frame and just show you like how it works on the 5 minute. So it seems like on the 5 minute, it won't go as low as the 5 minute. But let's see if you cut like the price action, will it work or not? And then you double tap each and every time. Then as you can see, it's also working like on the lower time frames. So you can just try out like this GoCharting software or platform, and then try to backtest with it. It's the same as like TradingView, but it's a bit advanced, and then it's a bit cleaner than TradingView. But I'll be using like this GoCharting platform for me to backtest, and then for the analysis and all of that stuff, I'll be using TradingView as usual, just because I'm used to TradingView. This one is a bit advanced, as I said. And like using like these lines when you're using like SMC, I'm not using like the shift button, just because when you use like the shift button, it will just snap and then be straight. But on this system, it doesn't work like that. So I'll be trying to gain more experience with it by backtesting, and then I'll see if I switch to GoCharting or just continue using like TradingView, and then try to backtest with this GoCharting system. So yeah, guys, I'll see you on another video. I hope you'll get to enjoy your backtesting sessions. And then yeah, I'll see you on another video, guys. Oh, and guys, before we close off the video, and then they have like the packages, as you all know, like the bar replay tool is free, but you have like the Indian light, of which if you're in India, you trade like the Nifties and all of that stuff. You can just use like the Indian light, of which it's $8. And then they have like the India and NSE premium, of which it's $20. And then USA, like they have like each and every package that you want. As you can see, like they have like the equity ETF premium, the CME premium, of which is 35. And then they have the Forex crypto, of which that is where you want to be if you're trading like Forex. And then they have like the zero, of which it's that one that you can use like anytime that you want. They have like a lot of things that you can use like if you're trading like Forex. But like if you want like more advanced things, but like there's nothing more advanced than having like a bar replay tool, of which I don't think you should be paying like anything for this chatting system. You can just use like the free version of it, just because we already have like the bar replay tool. That's what is important when you're trading or when you're back testing, guys. So I'll see you on another video. I hope you use like this chatting system just to back test. And then if you don't want to use it, it's fine. You can just use like TradingView.